my dear pulmonology colleagues, physicians, and the critical care physicians from Warangal and surrounding districts. I welcome all of you for a very unique regional Pulmo update in Warangal. We are not calling you to Hyderabad, we are coming to Warangal, and we shall be having a very interactive morning sessions followed by afternoon workstations, everything in your own city, Warangal. The learning is not going to be by didactic lectures. The entire session will be interactive with a lot of audience poll questions, a lot of interactive quizzes, a lot of panel discussions and multidisciplinary discussions. So it's going to be a very interactive, and second, it's all going to be real life case based. So it's going to be a different academic learning, academic exercise. So once again, let me welcome all of you to the Regional Pulmo update, which is on April 19th. Kindly block your calendars. Look forward to meeting you there.